Hi everyone. I was asked by one of the webmasters on how I achieved a page layout on the South Australian site, and that layout was how I got the front one article up in the top row, and a row of 3 by 3 articles in the page here. Okay, this page can be seen on the South Australian site under humour and under any of the subcategories in the humour area. And basically what it's called is a category blog layout. All right, and to get to that, what we need to do is select the setting in the menu in here when we create a menu. So what we'll do is I'll take you through a step-by-step process on that happens. So first off, we go to the administration area. We'll click on our menu and where our menus lie. Okay, and all we need to do is we'll create a new menu. Okay, now this is where you choose what you want. So in the end menu item type, we click select, and we choose category blog here. All right, in the menu title, we name it whatever we want. All right, we choose an article category that we want to display. All right, so there's my humour categories there. Let me just do we'll do A&E again. Okay, the category options. I usually leave those all set to global because that's all set up in the content area. Article options we leave global as well. Blog layout options. Now this is where we choose how many articles we want to display. So leading articles is the article at the top. So usually we leave that at 1. So we put a 1 in there. Okay. Intro articles is the number of articles displaying below that leading article. 3 by 3 is 9. So we have 9 articles. And how many columns do we want? That tells you how many columns you want. And in my case, I had 3. You can have 2 or 4 or whatever you want. I would recommend going no more than 3 columns, because then your columns get very, very narrow and the articles become very hard to read in the intro area. The number of links below that is the number of extra articles below those 3 by 3 columns, or 3 columns, that will display as well. So let's put, I've got plenty there, so let's put 10 in there and show that. Okay, we then, in the parent item, we can put it into under the humour area again, so it comes out as a submenu, and we go save and close. I'll just refresh the front end. Now when we go to articles, you'll see under humour, there's our test menu. When I click on that, you'll notice that the articles appear 9 by 9. So there's your leading article up the top. We have 3 columns, and we have 1, 2, 3 rows, 9 articles. We also have 10 links beneath that, so you can do that as well. Okay, and that's also underneath that. There's also an automatic pagination of all the remaining articles in that category. So if you go to page 2, again it displays a leading article and a 3 by 3 other following articles, and then more articles again. Okay, and that is how you set up what they call a category blog on your page. That's it. I'll see you on the next tutorial.